Good afternoon, students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equations. Remember, every time we solve a quadratic equation, it's always going to be equal to 0. Solve means you work out the value for x. So that means we are trying to find x. But in this equation, there is not one x because it's a quadratic. So I'm going to get two values for x. So I'm going to use the same quadratic equation that I used in my previous video to show you how to factorize using an AC method. When we used an AC method, my two factors were 2x plus 1. One was x plus 1. I'm going to put both factors equal to 0. Draw a line in the middle of your paper and put each factor equals to 0. When I put each factor equal to 0, now I'm going to solve these two equations as we normally solve equations. So take your 1 plus 1 to the other side. When you take your plus 1 to the other side, it becomes a minus 1. Now we are going to divide by 2 because I don't want to find out what 2x is. I want to find out just 1x, just x. 2 cancels with 2. X is equals to minus half, or x is equals to, just going to adjust my camera, x is equals to minus 0.5. It's entirely up to you if you want to leave your answer as a fraction or you want to leave your answer as a decimal. Now take your 1 to the other side, so x becomes equals to minus 1. My two answers are x equals minus 1 and x is equals to minus 0.5. And I'm done. This question comes on your paper for 2 to 3 marks. It really depends. It could be a part of another question. It could be a part of your factorization. They can ask you to factorize first, then they can ask you to solve, or they can just give you a quadratic equation which can be equal to 0 and they ask you to solve. Always remember, every time you are solving anything, you're finding the value of a unknown. And see you soon. Bye bye.